We're going to be working on our glutes using the fitness balls. There's different ways you can work out on your glutes. EP Fit just got another way of working out on your glutes. You can do this at home or in the gym or wherever, as long as you have a fitness ball. They come in different sizes, small, medium, large, whatever you can handle. You're going to take the fitness ball, you're going to put it right against the wall in your house or the gym, in the center of your back. You're going to extend your legs out as far as you can. Make sure the ball is in the center of your back. You're going to go down, all the way down and up. Down and up. Squeeze your glutes when you come up. Down, up, down, up. Squeeze the glutes. You're gonna do 3 sets each, 10 reps per set. Do this 3 times a week, every other day, and you're going to see that your glutes are going to start changing drastically. Now, extend the legs wider. You get a different kind of a workout on the glutes. Down and up. Sometimes you want to go as low as you can and squeeze up as low as you can. Squeeze up, walk those feet in, up. Now let's try on your toe. You can't see, but I'm on my toe. That adds a little bit more pressure to going down and up. You're also now working out your quads. Switch leg, left leg on your toe, down and up. Down and up. Good. Now make sure legs extended again. Sit and pulse it. Down, 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 up, squeeze, and squeeze. Now there you have it, EP Fit here, working on your glutes and your quads using a fitness ball. Remember, get whatever ball that suits your body. They're small, medium, and large. You can do this at home, traveling, or at work. Or even in the gym, of course. Remember, your form, always watch your form. When you're doing any exercise, make sure, as I said earlier, the ball is in the center of your back, feeling very comfortable. Your form is straight, and when you go down, make sure those knees stay behind the toes, and then you come up. Watch your form. Very crucial, very important. Never extend the knees out past the toes. Okay, there you have it. Listen, subscribe to my video, hit like, comment, send me a comment, or if there's a request, a part of the body you like to see chiseled down or toned down, send EP Fit a comment. Love to hear from you. Here's for Glutes Day. Stay tuned for more. EP Fit here. Like, comment, subscribe. Love to hear from you. Take care.